Meghalaya government has made it clear that nobody has the right to conduct checking of documents of migrant workers, and if such things persist, the law will take its own course. Work permit means the implementation of the Interstate Migrant Act, which does not have any provision for work permit, but has a provision for registration of laborers done by the contractor or the employer. If they are 4 or more coming to a state, they have to come through this particular act and register. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said there is no provision in the law when it comes to work permit.
There is no provision in the law when it comes to the work permit as such. There is no word called work permit. There was a particular notification to which I'm presuming that individuals and organizations are referring to, which used the word work permit, but later on clarified that the word work permit refers to the application of the Interstate Migrant Act. So therefore, that particular notification also ultimately came out with a corrigendum saying that work permit is not the actual word, but work permit means the implementation of the Interstate Migrant Act, which does not have any provision for work permit.
The State Cabinet on Friday